Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my second lesson of D2, chapter number 2, exercise 2E, that is about solving simultaneous equations elimination method. If you find any difficulty in understanding that what is elimination method and how to solve the simultaneous equations by elimination method, you can watch the previous lesson, for which I'll give the link in the description box, because Maths requires the integration of the new lesson with the previous lesson for better understanding. Let's move to question number 1, basic level, that says use the elimination method to solve the following simultaneous equations. Let's move to A part of the question, and that is x plus y equals to 16 and x minus y equals to 0. First of all, recall the previous lesson and observe that what are the coefficients of x and y in both equations. The coefficient of x is 1 and coefficient of y is also 1. In the second equation, coefficient of x is 1 and coefficient of y is minus 1. Now, if we recall previous lesson, where there was the technique that was saying that observe the coefficients of both the variables, same coefficient, opposite sign. The rule is we have to add up these two equations to get rid of any one of the variables. It's better to mark the equations like this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now what we have to do, same coefficients and opposite sign, same coefficient, opposite sign. So same coefficient, opposite sign. What we have to do, we have to add up both the equations. Add equation 1 and 2. Add equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 and 2. And when I'm adding equation 1 and 2, what can we get then? X minus y equals to 0, and addition will give me plus y and minus y can go with each other, and I can remove this y with this y, and I will left with 2x. 16 plus 0 will give me 16. And now in order to get value of x, what I have to do, I have to shift 2 to other side. X will be equal to 16 by 2, and x will be equal to, read the tables, 2 1s are and 2 8s are, and x will be equal to 8. Now at this stage we are getting one of the value of one of the variable. Now let it be a. Replace x equals to 8. Substitute x equals to 8 in equation 1 to get the value of other variable. So when I am replacing x equals to 8 in equation 1, x is 8 plus y equals to 16, shift 8 to other side, y equals to 16 minus 8, y equals to 8. So the solution of given situation is x equals to 8 and y equals to 8. I hope you are clear about this question. Let's move to the next part of the question, that is x minus y equals to 5 and x plus y equals to 19. Same coefficient, y has the coefficient 1 and y has the coefficient 1 with opposite sign. Same coefficient, opposite sign. Rule is that we have to add up the given equations. Let's mark this equation by number 1 and this is equation 2. Now what we have to do, in order to solve these equations, I have to add equation 1 and 2. Add equation 1 and 2. So when I'm adding equation 1 and 2, what I can get, x minus y equals to 5 and x plus y equals to 19. Okay, when I'm adding them up, I can see that these y are having the same coefficient with opposite sign. I can cancel y with y and I will left with 2x equals to 19 plus 1, 20, 24. Now as we have to get value of x, so what we have to do, we have to shift this 2 to other side, and when I will be shifting this 2 to other side, it will become in the denominator of 24. And now I have to read the table, 2 ones are and 2 12s are, so x will be equal to 12. So you can see that in the first stage we are removing one of the variable and we are getting the value of other variable. Okay, we are solving the equation for the second variable. Now let it be a or b, whatever you want to, but you must have to give the name to these answers. Now replace x equals to 12, replace x equals to 12. Try to choose the equation which can give you the calculation easily. So if I'm choosing the first equation, I can see I'm replacing x by 12 here, then y has the coefficient -1, so I have to be careful for the removing of this minus sign as well. And sometimes the student under the pressure of exam forgets to change the sign, so I will be preferring the second equation, that is x plus y equals to 19 in equation 2. And x equals to 12 plus y equals to 19. Shift y to other side, y equals to 19 minus 12 and y equals to 7. Okay, so these are the solutions of this situation. So x equals to 12 and y equals to 7 is the answer for this situation. And if you even want to check that your answers are correct or not correct, you can replace the values that you are getting in this question in any one of the equations. Suppose if I'm replacing x equals to 12 here, 12 plus y is 7, that gives me 19. So this equation is true. And if I'm replacing the value of x in equation 1, that is 12 minus 7 equals to 5. So it means the values that I'm getting are satisfying both the equations. So it means my working is correct, my values are correct. Here I'm giving you the trick as well, that how to check whether your values that you're getting in the question are correct or not. I hope this question is clear to you. Let's move to the next question. And the next question is 11x plus 4y equals to 12 and 9x minus 4y equals to 8. Again, if we observe the coefficients of x in both the equation, one is 11, one is 9, but if we observe the coefficients of y, one is 4 and one is -4, same coefficient, opposite signs. So what is the rule? That we are going to add up both the equations. So it's really important to keep the rules in the mind, then the learning will become more easy for you. So add equation 1 and 2, add equation 1 and 2. So what we will be getting, 11x plus 4y equals to 12 and 9x minus 4y equals to 8. So I have to put the plus sign here, and now as y has the same coefficient, opposite sign, so I can remove y or cancel y term here, and I'm getting rid of one of the variable, and now my equations are with only one variable, that is x. Add up the coefficients. 11 plus 9 is 20. 20x equals to 20. 12 plus 8 is 20. In order to get value of x, I have to shift this 20 to other side. X will be equal to 20 upon 20, and which is equal to 1. X equals to 1. Now what I have to do, I have to replace this value of x in any one of the equations. Let it be a, b. Okay, whatever you want to, but you must have to mark some letter here. Replace x equals to 1 in equation 1. equation 1. So when I will be replacing x by 1, the equation is 11x plus 4y equals to 12. 11 into 1 plus 4y equals to 12, and this will give me 11 plus 4y equals to 12. 4y equals to 12 minus 11, and this will give me y equals 4y equals to 1 and y equals to 1 by 4. I hope you are clear about this question. So x equals to 1 and y equals to 1 by 4 is the solution for this situation. And if we want to confirm whether the solution is correct or not, when I'm replacing x by 1, this will give me 11. I need 12 to this side. 4 multiplied by 1 by 4 will be 1. So it will give me 12. And now in the second equation, 9 times 1 is 9 minus 4 into 1 by 4 is 1, which is equal to 8. So it means my solutions are correct. Let's move to D part of the question, that is 4y plus x equals to 11 and 3y minus x equals to 3. First of all, it's important to mark the equations. Let it be equation 1 and this be equation 2. Now, what we have to do, we have to observe the coefficients of the variables in the given question. If we look at the coefficients of y in both the equations, first equation has y with 4 as the coefficient. In the second equation, the coefficient of y is 3. Now, if we check the coefficients of x in both the equations, the coefficient of x are 1 with the opposite sign. So the rule applied here is same coefficient, opposite sign, add up the equations. So what we have to do, add equation 1 and 2. So when I will be adding equation 1 and 2, I have to write the equations together. 4x, 4y plus x equals to 11 and 3y minus x equals to 3. Add up the equation, put the addition sign here, draw the line. Okay, and now x will be going with x and I will left with 7y equals to 11 plus 3 is 14. Y equals to 14 by 7. Y equals to 7 ones are 7 twos are, y equals to 2. So for the better understanding of this lesson, you should have the command on the basic rules of integers and tables. If you recall my previous lessons, you can see that in all of the lessons, I'm focusing on the rules of integers and the tables. These are the two important areas of mathematics. Now, what we have to do, replace value of y or replace y equals to 2 in any one of the equations. So I'm preferring equation 1 in equation 1. So equation 1 is 4y plus x equals to 11. Y will be replaced by 2. 4 into 2 plus x equals to 11. That is 8 plus x equals to 11. And shift 8 to other side. And this will become x equals to 11 minus 8 or x equals to 3. So the solution for this situation is x equals to 3 and y equals to 2. I hope you are clear about this situation. And now let's move to the next part of the question. The next question is 3a minus 2b equals to 5 and 2b minus 5a equals to 9. Now, if we look at both the equations carefully, the left hand side of the equation is not arranged properly, like a term is not written under a term. So first is that we have to rearrange both the equations, and when I will be rearranging the equation can take the form 3a minus 2b equals to 5, or minus 5a plus 2b equals to 9. What I have to do now, that if now we compare this equation, that is equation 3, new equation, let it be a, with the first equation, that is 3a minus 2b equals to 5. Both the equations are arranged now. So what I have to do now, I have to take equation 1, 3a minus 2b equals to 5, and minus 5a plus 2b equals to 9. Now observe the coefficients of a and b in both the equations. If we look at the coefficients of b in both the equations, both are 2 with opposite sign. So add up the equations. Okay, same coefficient, opposite sign, add up the equations. Let it be now equation 1, and this is equation 2. Add up equations 1 and 2. Add up equations 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. And now when I'm adding up equations 1 and 2, I can get rid of this b, and 3 minus 5 is minus 2. A equals to 9 and 1 10, and 4 14, and now I have to shift this minus 2 to other side. So a equals to 14 by minus 2, or a equals to minus 7. 2 7s are 14, 2 1s are, and 2 7s are. So the value of a that I am getting is a equals to minus 7. Now what I have to do, I have to replace a equals to minus 7 in equation 1, So the equation is 3a minus 2b equals to 5. A has the value minus 7. 3 into minus 7, minus 2b equals to 5, and minus 21 minus 2b equals to 5. Shift 21 minus 21 to other side. This will give me minus 2b equals to 5 plus 21. Minus 2b equals to 26, and b equals to 26 by minus 2, which is equal to minus 13. So b equals to minus 13 for this situation. And now let me block the answer. So the values of a and b for this situation are: a is equal to minus 7 and b is equal to minus 13. I hope you are clear about this question, and how to identify the coefficients, and how to decide that whether we are going to add up the equations or subtract. Let's move to J part of the question, that is 5c minus 2d equals to 9 and 3c plus 2d equals to 7. Again, we can see both the equations are arranged properly, that like variables are placed under the like variables. Now after that, I have to see and decide which variable has the same coefficient with opposite signs. Okay, so the d has the same coefficients with opposite signs. So what I have to do, first of all, I have to mark and give some numbers to given equations. And now as d has same coefficient opposite sign, so what we are going to do, we are going to add equation 1 and 2 to get rid of, to remove one of the variables. So the equations will take the form 5c minus 2d equals to 9 and 3c plus 2d equals to 7. And as we are adding, so this is a sign of addition. Now I can remove this d with this d, and 5 and 3 is 8. C equals to 9 and 1 10, and 6 16. Now in order to get value of c, I have to shift this 8 to other side. So c equals to 16 by 8 8 ones are and 8 twos are, and c equals to 2. After getting value of the first variable, what we have to do, we have to replace that value in any one of the equations. So I'm preferring the second equation. Replace c equals to 2 in equation 2. So when I will be replacing, this is equation is 3c plus 2d equals to 7. 3 into 2, that is 6, plus 2d equals to 7. 6 plus 2d equals to 7. First of all, I have to shift this 6 to other side. 2d equals to 7 minus 6. 2d equals to 1 and d equals to 1 by 2. So the value of c is 2 and d equals to 1 by 2. So this is the answer for this situation. I hope you are clear about this question. For our next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.